to know what we are building. We are building this game here, which it has 2 games so far, but we can add more games, 5 games, 10 games we can add here as well. And it's multi-language. We can have it in different languages: English, German, Persian, and Kurdish. These 2 are left to right, these 2 are right to left. We can add Arabic as well, for example, for right to left, and we can add all other languages for left to right too. It has color blinded. It has a reduced motion feature, and this one, and we have some about's here, states here, and the game. This is the first game. Play. 3, 2, 1. Starts. For this one, we need to tap the color, not the word. For example, the color for this one is blue, but the word is red, so we have to click on blue. And done. This was the first game. The second game is this one. We need to click on the numbers by order as fast as possible. If you click on wrong one, you can see this red with that motion there. If you click on that reduce motion in the setting, you remember that. If you click on that reduce motion, we don't see this shaking anymore. And done. That was all. Back home. These 2, and in the future we add more games here. Welcome to my next episode of 50 Apps Challenge. For this episode, as you said before, we have few steps here. The first step, finding the idea and set up the repository. For this one, I have the idea. I mean, not almost. We want to build a simple game, simple mobile app, simple game, a brain app. Okay, so let's just go for Claude Code. In the previous episodes, you remember that we were using Claude session here in the web to finding the idea and having the deep research and those things. But now we don't want to go there. We want just go to the Claude directly. Claude Code. It must be on auto mode. Let's always keep it on auto mode. So default auto mode. Claude Code Neo, it's as default, it's on auto mode, so probably you don't need to change it. I'm going to use Whisper Flow to convert speech to text. So instead of typing here that I want to build a brain game or something like that, I'm just talk, and Whisper Flow converted to text for me. I was using it in all other episodes, so probably you are familiar with that, and you already have it. If you don't have it, I just added the link there. You can use it. It's my referral link, so it gives you 1 month free, and it gives me 1 month free as well. It's a win-win. Anyway, so let's just talk to Claude Code. And by the way, we want to build this game with Flutter, so we can build it for iOS. We can build it for iOS and Android both, and not only those 2. If you want to build it for some other operating systems on the mobiles or even on desktop, you can do it easily using Flutter. So let's just go for asking Claude Code. I want to build a brain game with Flutter. No internet, totally offline, no user, no account, nothing. And this brain game is something that's, I don't know which type of brain game I want to build, but I don't want something complex, I don't want to have to use those huge engines, something that must be done by code. So let's just ask, what do you think what should we build? Just give me a few suggestions. You can see it's overloaded, so Anthropic Claude Code has some problem. We have to wait for it. Probably in a few minutes it will be there again, so I'm just waiting for it. I retried many times and I had to wait about 30 minutes. Then now it works. So there are 4 suggestions from Claude Code. You can see this 4 suggestions. Stroop Rush. That's the word blue printed in red. Tap the color, not the word. 2-second window per card. All content is generated at runtime from a 6-color enum, so there is literally 0 data to ship. The code is almost 200 lines of logic. Easy to make beautiful. Big type, color flooded backgrounds. That's good. The other one. Let's do something amazing here. Instead of building one game, let's just create like an engine that everything is, the design, the buttons, for example, history, archive, I don't know, the buttons for steps level, everything is there. We just change the game. So we create one foundation, one engine, one code base, and then from that we create many games. We just change one thing. We just change the logic and the design of the game screen itself, not the other pages, not the other screens, okay? So let's just build something like that. So let's talk to Claude Code about it. I think this will be much better for us, because we don't spend time on building everything again. We just think about the game itself, about the logic itself. We can say, hey, Claude Code, now I want to build the next 5 games based on this, from this engine that we have. Just think about the game itself and the logic, not about the structure, not about the code, not building everything again from scratch, I think this is a really better solution that we can do it here. I want to build something here. I want to build like an engine, a code base that's all screens almost are the same. Just the game itself, just the design for the game itself, it's different. So I have one code base, and from this code base, we create many games. You know what I mean, right? Okay, we have the result here. Let me make sure I've got your model right, because it sets the whole file layout. One code base, many games. Everything that is not the game itself is written once. Home menu, difficulty select, the play scaffold, timer, score, pause, lives, countdown, game over, result, personal best, settings. Yeah, a new game is then just two things you author: a game definition, rules, state, scoring, difficulty, and it's board widget plus temp. It's on colors, type, fill. Drop it in a folder, register it, and it inherits every screen for free. Like this, for example. The episode 4, this is my videos, and in the directory that I'm already there. Package, it's game engine, game definition, the game shell, home screen, game UI, games, only rules plus board widgets plus its theme. App can ship one game. I think yes. This is all we... Oh, this is good, this is good. This is all we want, right? We want all screens there, just the game itself we change. That's good. There was a question, I just pressed escape by mistake, so the question is not there anymore, but you can see it. How should state manager works in the engine? Pure Flutter, river path or black. How many games should I build in the first pass? Engine plus one pass, engine plus 2 games, engine plus 3 games. Can you ask me the question again? So the questions are here. The state manager. Let's go with this one. This is much better. Let's go for this one. The scoop, how many games should I build in this first pass? Engine plus 2 games. I think it's good. We can go for 3 games even. But let's just go for this. Engine plus 2 games. And submit. But before this, let me just stop it. I will stop it for now. Press escape and stop. Before this, we have some GitHub Flutter skills. I already built some Flutter skills here that you can use in your game, in your all Flutter games, Flutter apps, not only games. I built it after building many applications, so this will help us so much. You know, even it has about for advertising, for these state managers, for multi-language, and right to lefts, testing, navigations, everything is there. Okay, so it helps you a lot to build something perfect. So you can use this one. I will add the link in the description as well, so you can use it. So let's just have it. There are many ways to use it. You can have it like this, that all skills will be there, or, which I always do it by myself. I like to do it like that. It's not something that you should do it as well. I always copy into a single project. I'm always doing it like this. So let's just do it. See, let me just make it bigger. Let's just clone it here. Then go for the next step, which create this one in our project. Okay. So let's just go back to my project. My project is in episode 4. Create this one, and then the skills that we made here, we need to copy it there, right? So let's just cp recursive. This one is here, Flutter skills. All of this. Flutter skills directory, all skills there, copy into our cloud.skills file. Now let's just open it. Open our project. You can see now we have this. This is the skills that we have now. It has a very good structure. The skills have a very good structure. Some examples, references, some scripts, the skill itself. There are very good structured skills there that we can use in our app. So now let's go back to Claude Code, to our Claude Code here, and tell Claude Code that I just added some Flutter skills inside the repository, inside the project, inside our project here. This inside our directory E04. But we need to close the app if you want Claude Code to load these skills automatic. We need to close it. Just I'm closing the Claude Code session, then I will resume it. Okay, I will resume exactly that one. Now we have here, now Claude Code see those skills. I already added many Flutter skills inside the project, inside the directory, so you can use them. And now continue. Okay, so you can use them. Now continue. Oh, but the continue what I want, right? What we want. Let's just go back to our project. The first step was creating, finding the idea and setting up the repo. So let's just set up the repo as well. What should we name it? We don't need to think about it. Let's just clear this one. I'm gonna create the GitHub repository for the app. What should I name the repository? You can see 37 skills available. MindForge. Okay, this is a good name. Let's just go for this one. Name it like this. I'm making it public. Create repository. Now we have it. If you don't know what should you do, I mean, you need to do this one. Git remote at origin, this one. Let's just go back to this. This is my directory. So first you need to say git init, and then copy paste this one. Okay, it's done. And git branch dash main, which we are in main as default. Always. Git push origin m. But we need to just commit the changes first. Just git status, git add all. If you don't know what should you do, just tell Claude Code, hey Claude Code, I built this repository. I built this repository. Now commit the changes, push it the first one, and then what? then just wait. I will tell you what should we do. Okay, so until this one is doing the job here, let's go back to our steps: finding the idea and setting up the repo. Both are done. The next one, turn the idea into documentation. Every screen, every feature, what's in version 1 and what's not. For this one, you remember in all previous videos when we had no idea, right? Here we were finding the idea. Then in this step, we were asking Claude Code to expand the idea and write everything in details. Create documentations about the idea, how many features we must have in the idea, in the app, and everything else, right? So for this one, I was just thinking that we don't need this one because right now we have the idea and Claude Code knows everything about it, right? So we can skip this step here. Yeah, let's skip it because we already know everything, right? We know that what do we want, and Claude Code knows what pages, what things we have. Okay, so we don't need it anymore. We can skip it, so let's skip it. Now let's go for the next one. Research the platform, Flutter, Swift, React Native, or whatever that we want. So for this one, we can skip this one as well. Why? Because we decided to build it with Flutter, and with Flutter we already have the skills here. We have all skills here. So we did the research before, we made the skills that we need for it. We have everything there, so we can skip this step as well. We did this once before, so we don't need it. Choose the design system. So we can ask Claude Code to create a design system for us. How the design must be, how the colors, themes, everything. Claude Code knows right now about it. Knows that what we are going to build, what we want to build, how the design must be. We have different designs for different games for sure. But we can skip this one as well, and we can trust Claude Code. Or we can go for this and ask Claude Code to create some 3 design systems for us. For sure, for your own projects, if you have a complex project, if you have your startup, you need a real design system. You must go for this one. Ask Claude Code to build 3 different design systems for you, and then you pick one of them. But for us here, we can skip it. Or like our previous previous videos, we can go for it. And here we can go for it. We will go for it. Okay, so let's just go for the Claude Code for the design system. I want you to create 2 or 3 design systems for me. Before that, let's just go for enabling workflows. I just forgot about it. The Ultra Code. Workflows. Workflow is something that we really need here. It can things for us parallel, do the research for us in parallel, create multiple things in parallel for us. So let's just go for it and make it enable. Effort and then select Ultra Code. I want you to create 2 or 3 different design systems for me. I want something happy, colorful. No, I don't want something dark or too formal. Build 2 or 3 different design systems for me, and then create one HTML file for each one and show an example of the app, a mock-up of the app in that HTML with multiple screens. Okay, I want to see how the app will look like. You can go for 1 or 2 of the app, 2 of the games inside the HTML. Show them inside the HTMLs. Okay. So let's see what we will have. I don't want to wait, so I will stop the video for now, and then I will back when we see some changes there. You can see it says that ultra code is on, so that's good. It's creating the design directories. 1, 2, 3 design directories. Let's just open the codes and see it. Yeah, it's here. Workflow is running. It's about 14 minutes. Let's see what we have here. Workflow build 3 happy colorful design system. Okay, running 13 agents across 4 phases. 3 directions, all light and colorful. 3 design systems, 1, 2, 3. The types, some features for each one. Each one get 3 files: app.html, system.html, and readme.md file. Okay. The agents are still running. Let's wait. It says I will open them in Chrome and screenshot them for you when it lands. Okay, thank you. It's about 40 minutes. Let's just check the workflow. What do we have so far? The first one is done. Second one still remain. Third one still remain. Let's just check the code to see what we have. Ah, you can see there are many files here so far. Still workflow remain, but some files are there. Let's just open them. Just open this one first. Open in default browser. Cut Cloud. Ready to train. This will be our design. The first game, third game. We have more games there. Settings. This is the first one. For example, the page for the first one. We have this one. Get ready. Okay. We have the game itself, the design for the game itself. The blue, for example, for this game, this Stroop Rush, we shouldn't see the we shouldn't read the word. Yeah, the word says blue, but we must see the color. This is red, so we must click on red. This is the game. And we have this one as well. This is the score, the state, settings, sounds, colorblind friendly palette, language, about. This is the first one. Let's just open the other ones. Open in default browser. Oh, that's totally different. Paper. That's nice. This one is more interesting. The design for it, it's nice. I like it. Let's go for the next one. This is different again. I like this one. This one is good, I think. How is this page? Look at this. The nice run new personal best. It's like this. And this one is like this. And this one is like this. This one is good as well. I mean, all of them are good. Honestly, there's no difference between them. I mean, in beauty. But this one is much better, I think. Maybe this one. Settings, states. This is too formal, you know, and compared to the others. I mean, but having these two make it, can I say that, make it playful for kids as well. You know, this one seems like for just adult, but this one, these two, make it beautiful for kids as well. This one or this one, maybe this one is good. This one is much better. Maybe you can go for this one, but we have many files there, right? Let's just check the other file. For example, this system, the colors, that's good. We have everything, all details that each system design needs. The wrong and right even, look, it's good. Typography, spacing, motion, components, game card, that's good. Model sheet, that's beautiful, you know. We have all details here, that's good. And even we have this Flutter map. That's perfect. I think for all of them we have this. Let's just open the system design for this one as well. The colors. Typography, spacing. motion, components, game card. Let's just open the last one as well. Paper and ink. That's nice. Okay. Let's just check the terminal again. Still working on them. This one is still remain. What is remain there? We have the readme files as well. So why it's not finished? What is this readme files? Let me just check. Yeah, this is the design system in just a small description about the app, about the design system. Okay. I think this is all done. Let's just wait for the workflows for the agents. We have to wait, but we will go for this one. I think we can go for not this one, for this one. I'll pick this one. Honestly, all are beautiful, you know. This one is good as well, but this one, let's just go for this one. Let's go for this one. And still we have to wait for the agents, for the workflow. Let's wait. Workflow still running. It seems one agent just remain. The indexing. So far, 2.6 million token. Okay. Let's wait for it. Okay, it's done. Almost 2 hours. Until this is running, let's just check the code. What do we have now? This one, this one, this one, and we have this index as well. Claude Code is trying to run that index file, which I can just run by ourselves. Let's just go back here. We can run by ourselves. I need to wait for it. 3 ways MindForge could look. It's creating this one. Anyway, so we will go for this one. So let's just go for the next step. What is the next step? Build the Claude Code skills. Okay. So for the Claude Code skills, fold the engineering best practices and the design system into skills and write the cloud.md file. In this section, research the platform. We skip this one there, okay? Because we already made the skills, the Claude Code skills, the platform skills, the engineering side, right? So we picked them here. Oh, what is that? Here we pick the skills for the engineering side from this repository. Now we need to create the design system skills from the design that we already have. Okay, still it's trying to run the app on that section. Anyway, I will just stop it. I just stopped that section because we don't want Claude Code to just run that index file for us. Okay, no need for that. So let's just go for the next step. The designs are beautiful, and I picked this one. This Sunburst Pop. Now what I want you to do is create the Claude Code skills from this design system that we have. Look at the skills we already have. These skills that we already have. Look at the structure that we have. For some of them, we have templates, we have examples, we have references, we have, I don't know, skill file itself, we have scripts, we have many things there for each skill. Create Claude Code skills for this design system for me. I don't know how many skills you want to build, just build. And by the way, something else here. We need to commit these files as well. Let's just say it. And by the way, commit the changes we have so far. And yeah, let's just go for it. Oh, and creating the cloud.md file as too. And please create the cloud.md file as well. Now we have to wait for this one. So it probably takes a few minutes. I don't know, 10 minutes, 20 minutes. And we need to do something else about the design. I just forgot about it. If we already mentioned it here. No, it's... We need to ask Claude Code to take some screenshots from this design. And then when it's creating the game, creating the UI, creating the screens, it must always compare what it's building with the screenshots from these templates. You know? So let's just ask Claude Code as well. For sure we need to wait for this one first, and then, but I'll just type it. Claude Code will handle it. One thing we forgot is about the design system. I want you to take screenshots from each screen that we have for this design system that we selected, we picked. Then during the developing, during the implementing the task, the designs, I want you to always compare what you are building with those screenshots, because we want to have exactly the same. You can do this after finishing the skills. Or maybe you can just, inside the skill, for the screens, you can mention that you have to always compare with the screenshots and those things. So at the end, we are going to have a game like this, one mobile app, one game app that has many apps inside, maybe 10 apps, 20 apps, you know. We are going to add more apps there, more games there, all in one design system. For sure, we can make it, how can I say that? We can add ads there. So when you open each app, when you go to for each around, you know, we can show some ads there to earn money. Or we can make it, okay, 5 apps is free, and if you want to have unlimited ads, just buy it in €1, €2, you know. So let's just go for it. Everything is there, just the logic of the game will be different, and the UI of the game. It's a nice idea to have it. Let's wait. You can see the response from Claude Code. Good case reference screenshots are worth more. It says I will build the screenshots in parallel. Let's just see where are the screenshots. It was creating a script. The design, we have a directory called the screens. Screenshots are captured, so let's just check it. What is the screenshots? There are here. Just open the first one. Okay, it's good. Good. That's nice. What is this contact? Oh, this is just for probably. Let's just open it. These are the screenshots separately. That's good. And the readme file here. Okay, this is good. So let's just wait for the skills. We have the skills here. It's creating 5. It seems it's creating 5 skills: 1 token, components, shell screens, game surface, and motion. Let's just wait for it. And we have this. The next section is verify. And we have Claude Code here as well. That's good. So let's wait for this one. Probably takes, I don't know, 1 hour. The previous workflow took about 2 hours. I hope this one takes less. Workflow still running. About an hour, about 2.6 million tokens still remain. So we have 5 new skills. Let's just check them. These 5. So we have examples, even we have references, we have scripts, we have template, and we have the skill file itself. So we are sure that every time when we are creating a component, we know that the code for all of them are the same. For the button is always the same. For the card is always the same. So we don't see 2 different styles for a button, you know. That's good. The screens as well. The tokens. The example for token. That's good. Scripts, template. These are the templates. The skill file itself. This is good. Okay, the workflow is done. 3 hours and 40 minutes. Why it's 3 hours? Anyway, the workflow is done finally. Let's just go and check them. We are here. These were the skills that we made. And this is the Claude Code that we have, the cloud.md file, and small explanation about the app, hard product constraints, fully offline, no accounts, no ads, no analytics, current state, one Flutter package. Do not create packages until a body of pure logic earns the compile value. Okay. Decisions. These are decisions. Design direction. It's mentioning the files that we have for design and screenshots. Skill routing. These are the skills. Working agreements. No dark theme, no theme mode, no brightness dark. Anyway. Command. No, this is not complete, okay? This is not something, this is not complete. We are going to change it later. So let's just go for the next step. What is the next step? The next step is create epics and tasks. So for this one, what we are going to do is, we are, for the implementing, we are going to create epics, and each epics has many tasks with all details. So let's just go for creating them. And by the way, we are going to build a multi-language application. It's left to right, right to left, both. And so let's just go for it. I want you to create a directory called epics. And then inside that directory, I want you to create epic files for me. One MD file for each epic. And then inside the epic, you need to do some, you need to explain the epic, why we need this epic, what is the current state that we have, what we will achieve after finishing this, that epic. And then inside the epic file, I want you to add the tasks as well. The tasks that we need to do for each epic, and explain the tasks in detail as well. Okay, so we create some MD files, one MD file for each epic, and inside the epic we have some explanations about the epic itself, and then for the rest of the document, the MD file, we have the list of the tasks that we need to do for each epic. This creating the epics and tasks details is something that you always need to do. You should always do. No, because first you give Claude Code the time for think about the project, for think about the step, for think about the task that it needs to do, and then we are going to ask Claude Code to implement it based on what's it's made before in the tasks. And few things here. For each epic, we are going to create one branch, one Git branch for each epic. So let's just say it. I want you to create one branch for each epic. Then you have to, after finishing the epic, you have to push it into GitHub, create the PR, add a good explanation about the PR, and then wait for pipelines to pass successfully, and then merge it, and then go for the next epic. Okay, and I need granular commits as well. Means commits that the changes that are related to each other. Let's just say it like that. And what else? Oh, Claude Code has two agents inbuilt. One of them is simplify, and another one is code review. These two. We are asking Claude Code, after finishing each epic, run these two agents as well. Let's just say it. After finishing each epic, and before creating the PR, run these two agents or skills. These two. You can see it's based on the name. One of them just simplifying the code if there are something duplicated, something extra, if something can be done easier. This one go to find it and going to fix it. And the code review is just reviewing the code itself, the entire process, the entire code. And what else? Inside the epic file, let's just mention that. Inside the epic file, I want you to mention the list of the skills that are needed for that epic, for all tasks inside that epic that we need to load, the Claude Code needs to load. For sure, Claude Code knows about the skills because Claude Code loads these. Let me just show you. Claude Code loads these as default. So when we just run the Claude Code first go through all skills and read all of this data here. So now Claude Code knows which skill is doing what. And then when it's going to implement a task, it says, okay, I need these things, and that's things I saw it's mentioned in this skill, so let's just load the entire skill. Okay. Claude Code knows, but no, it's not something that makes things worse. So let's just mention it inside the epic files as well. And what else? We are always do the things TDD. Means first test. Claude Code must write test first and then run it. It says, okay, tests are failed. Then start implementing the code. Then run the tests again. Okay, now test passed. No. We must always, you should always write test for your code. Ask Claude Code to write tests. When you are writing tests, you don't worry if next month someone else, even with different agents, it could be codecs, I don't know, anything else, you're writing the code, you don't need to be worried about, oh, what if these changes break the code, break the app, because we have tests. If you write some things and then when you run the test failed. No? You change something and no test fails. Okay, it's so AI or you yourself, something happened, something is broken. So you know that always write tests. And what else? I think this is good. Let's just mention a few things more. And by the way, don't forget to compare the screens with the screenshots that you made. I don't know when you are creating the screens. I don't know, but just remember that inside the tasks you need to mention for sure. And what else? I think these are just enough, right? Yeah, this is enough, I think. And enter. This is the most important sections for us. This is the most important one. That helps us to build everything. So we don't need to talk to Claude Code, hey, okay, what should we do now? Let's just add this one, let's just add that one. We don't spend time now. Now we are just using the loop, the goal that we have in Claude Code. Hey, the goal is just implementing all epics and done. We go during the night, we go to sleep, and then when we wake up, we say that everything is done. You know? Because we already created everything for Claude Code. Claude Code knows what to do step by step, what to do in details. Claude Code knows everything by reading these files that we are creating. So you must always create these files first. Probably it takes 2 hours, 3 hours probably. I'm not sure. But let's just wait. I will stop recording right now. If Claude Code asks me something, for sure I will let you know. I will start recording again. I will show you that's what questions Claude Code is asking. And yeah. So let's just wait for Claude Code. Workflow is running. You can see we have 10 epics and the workflow is there about an hour. All epics are done, audits are done. It's just finalizing it right now. About 500,000 tokens just for finalizing. So let's just wait for it. I just remembered that I forgot to mention that we need right to left and multi-language. We totally forgot that. Let's just finish this one, then we ask Claude Code to adjust all epics because we want to have a multi-language and right to left as well. Let's just wait for this one first. The workflow is done. 1 hour and 12 minutes. So let's just see what we have now. This is the list of the epics. The first one. This is the first one. Open preview. This will be the branch name, depends on nothing. Unblock all of them. Not started yet. Turn a repository that holds only skills and design HTML into a Flutter app that builds, boots, and is guarded by a pipeline. Okay. Why we need it, current state, what we will achieve, the skills to load. This is all the skills that we need to load. Tasks, the first task, second task, third task, task number 4, goal, tests first, implementation, files, skills, done when, this, commits, even we have the commits as well, the suggest commits as well. That's good. How many tasks we have? 9, 10 tasks. We have gates that must pass. Risk and open questions. Definition of done. That's good. So we have all of them here. This is good. Let's see what we will have here. All 13 agents landed. Okay. So let's just go for the next things that I just mentioned about multi-language and right to left. There's something that I forgot. I want to have my app multi-language and even have it must be right to left as well. I mean, we must have left to right and right to left both. So for left to right language, let's just have English and German. And for right to left language, let's just have Persian and Kurdish Sorani. 2 left to right languages and 2 right to left languages. Okay, that's good. I think you need to adjust the epics, all of them, probably, I don't know. But check the epics and see where we can add these multi-language things there. Maybe you need to add a new epic as well. I have no idea. You have my permission to do anything that you want. Right? We give the full permission to Claude Code to build whatever it wants. After this, we go for the next step. And what is the next step? Implementing and tests. But we need to mention something here. Let me just stop this. I will stop it. I just stopped it. For the first, we go for building the iOS. I want you to run it on an iOS simulator, to build based on an iOS simulator. Probably inside the Epics, there must be something that says, because we are building by Flutter, so it could be one of the Epics says, okay, launch it on iOS, an Android emulator. So I don't want that. I want to just, for now, I want to go with iOS, and then we go for Android. So let's wait for it. You can see there are many things here. Big change. Talking about the multi-language here as well. It's okay. We have the workflow here. It's about 30 minutes running. All of these things are done. This one remain. Then we go for audit and finalize. Let's wait for it. About 3 million tokens, about 30 minutes, and still remain. One of the agents is failed, so let's just wait for it to finish everything. Then at the end we say that for Epic 11 the agent was failed, so just apply the changes on Epic 11. Let's just wait for this to be done first. Okay, it's done after an hour and 40 minutes. Okay, it's good. This is good. So let's just go for the next step. I mean, what do we have here? And the next step is just start implementing, right? But before that, let's just this is our what is our GitHub. This is just refresh the page. It's already pushed some changes here. Let's just complete our GitHub, add some README files, license, add these descriptions and tags and those things here. Let's just prepare this one. Before starting Epic 1, just let's complete our GitHub repository, add README file, licenses, contribution. This is open source for everyone. They can just add, create games, add games there. The games, I think, will be each game will be an epic, right? So they will add it. It will be there. They can add the game, and they can change everything that they want. For sure, there must be a merge a PR there. They must approve it by myself. And yeah, let's just prepare the GitHub repo, the description, tags. Let's just have everything there. And you already have the screenshots, right? Just add a few of the screenshots in the README file as well. And after this, we go for one thing more here. We go for updating this CloudMD file. We go for updating this CloudMD file, which is already updated, but we ask Claude Code to update it again if we need it, because we need to have the tasks and epics here as well. There is nothing mentioned about the epics and tasks. Anyway, we ask Claude Code to do it, to check it, to adjust this. Okay, about the license, let's just go for Apache 2. It's good. Protection. Okay, this is good. This is good. And after this, update the cloud.md file. We created the epics and tasks and those things, and we added some rules there, right? Like TDD, like simplify and code review, you know, creating the branch. We added many rules there, right? And the app is multi-language, left to right, right to left. Let's just update the cloud.md file as well. And just to know why Claude Code is able to update my GitHub repository, to update my settings, configs, adding these tags, everything there, because I already added the GitHub CLI. You can just search on internet, find how you can add the GitHub CLI, or you can ask Claude Code, hey, just enable this GitHub CLI and tell me what should I do. You need to add your tokens and those things there, but you can ask Claude Code and it will guide you to do everything step by step. Just refresh the page. So we have to wait for it. And after that, before starting implementing, we have to restart our session. You remember we added the skills for design system, right? But we didn't restart this. We didn't restart the session, so Claude Code cannot load them as default, you know. So we have to restart the session. We did. You remember how we do it? We just close the session and we just resume it and done. That's all we need to do. So let's just wait to see what we are going to do. This is the preview. Nice. I will stop recording for now. When it's done, I will let you know. Okay, it's done. 1 hour and 40 minutes. That's good. All epics are updated. Now it's 11 epics. You remember it was 10 epics. And for epic 4 is the localization and right to left foundation. That's good. And ready to start epic 1, but not let's not start epic 1. Let's just have our repository updated. We need to have some readme files here. We need to have some description here, tags and license for contribution. We want to complete our repository first. Now before starting the epic one, you can say it says ready to start epic one. Want me to start? No. The epic one. I want you to complete my GitHub repository. We need a README file, we need license, we need for people that wants to add changes there. If they want to add new games there, yeah, they have to create the epic first and then implement it and then create the PR. For me, I will review the PR and then I will merge it. And description for GitHub repository, adding tags. You have the screenshots, right? So just add the screenshots inside the README as well. It's like this, but no need to be worried about it because just pasting many text. By the way, I just saw this one. One agent died mid-flight, right? Epic 11. The file landed complete. Okay, so it's good. The failure hit after the write, so that's good. So no problem with that. So let's just go for this one. And something else, we need to this Claude Code, Claude file. We need to update this one as well, because we added the epics, right? The epics and tasks. What is this? This is the previous one probably. We added the epics and tasks, right? And we said that it must be TDD. We must run simplify and code review agents. We must create one branch for each epic, and I don't know, the app is multi-language, left to right and right to left. We need to mention them in the Claude Code as well, Claude file as well. So let's just, as Claude Code after finishing the GitHub, okay, let's just say which license should MindForge ship under MIT. Let's just go for Apache 2. I was talking that after this one, we go for updating the Claude file. And after this, please update the Claude.md file. Talk about the epics as well. About that, how is our process. It's TDD. We have to run a simplify and code review as well. And the app is multi-language, left to right, right to left. And if you want to have a new game, we have to create one epic file first with all details and then go for the next steps, I think we need to update the Claude.md file as well. So it's just creating the file. Repo is public with no description, topics, or license. It's Apache 2. Write notice. This is one of the files that we need. Let's just see what we have. Now we have the license here, the Apache license. We have this notice here. Where's the README file? We have this preview here as well. I don't know when it was. When did this? Anyway, let's just wait. Okay, we have the readme file as well. Yeah, we have some screenshots here. Let me just go to preview. What do we have in preview? We have these things here. That's good. We have the screenshots here as well. That's great. So remain, let's just wait. We have contributing file as well. Just open the preview here. This is good. Pull request template. It's creating everything for us. That's good. But I don't know what is this preview here. We have this preview here, and then inside the readme file we have all of these images here as well. Oh, it's like that. Anyway, it's good. Let's just keep it like this. Now the repo metadata. Now Claude.md file. So I think if you refresh the page, we have all data here, right? Yeah, you have the description here. We have some tags here. So it's not pushed yet, so that's why we don't see this file yet there. And epic 1 is updated. Why? Because one of the tasks was creating the pull request template. Now we have it, so no need for that. So it's just updating that we already have it, so that's good. Just updating the Claude.md file by adding this section, how we work. Okay, it seems we have all. Let's just go back here, refresh the page. Now we have all. That's good. This is our readme file. Yeah, this is the preview file. The platform, for sure it will be iOS and Android. The platform will be iOS and Android both. No, that's just not. Yeah, Android both. Let's have it. License, Flutter, locales, and status. That's good. That's great. I like it. So let's just go for let me just cancel this. Oh no, yes. Checking Flutter adapter for Android toolchain. We have already Android toolchain. Everything about the Android. I made everything before the system is ready. But if you don't have it, you just can ask Claude Code, and Claude Code will install for you. Will update any file that it's needed. So no need to be worried about it. To say how can I do that? I don't know, and those things. No need for that. Claude Code can do everything for you. It's creating a. Look, I was just talking about the README file. We will go for the Android later. Okay. It was booting the Android in. Yeah, we have the Android as well now. We have the Android emulator as well. So that's good. We have the README file, iOS and Android. We have the badge here is updated. Some text we have here. It's good. Come on. It's committing the changes. Okay, it's done now. Ready for Epic 1. Let's just go back here, refresh the page. Now we have platform iOS and Android both. That's great. So then next step, implement and test. As I said before, we need to restart the app, the session, the Claude Code session. So just close it. I can resume it, or I just can start a new session, totally new session. We don't need the previous data. We just want to. Okay, wait, it's like this. Why it says trust this folder? We are in this folder, right? So why it was asking that question? Just weird. Anyway, so now let's start the app. You know, we can just say start Epic 1, start Epic 2, those things, right? But we go for something more interesting. We define a goal and we say complete epics 1, 2, 3 and what are all 4. one foundation. There are design tokens and localization on right to left. Yeah, let's just finish these 4 epics. 3 and 4. And done. First of all, it's good if you go epic by epic. It's much better, step by step. And you have enough time to test each epic, to see the changes, to test everything. You have good enough time to do everything, to check everything. But if you have no enough time, for example, like me, and I know my epic files and tasks are good enough, with all details there, I know they are good enough. So I'm just asking Claude Code, hey, finish all these epics. For sure, I can say finish all epics from 1 to 10. Finish complete all of them. And then tomorrow, I don't know, 10 hours later, 20 hours later, when I get back, I can see that everything is there. Everything is done. But let's just go goal by goal. Let's see what will happen. I mean, I'm just going with 4 goals. 4 epics, sorry, as my goal. So I will see you in 5 hours, probably. So far, 12 minutes, and task number 4 is done. Now it's working on task number 5. It's still running more than an hour, and it's epic 2, task number 9. That's good. Let's just wait what will happen. You can see episode 2 is done, and now it's still now it's running the code review skill. You can see we have this agent for code review is running here. Let's just go back to the main. 2 real findings. Okay, so we have this after each epics. We have these skills, the code review. Let's just go back to see, do we have, no, the simplify is not run yet, so we have to wait for it. Let's I don't know what happened. There is no simplify. Maybe it's somewhere else. Anyway, now it's going for E2 is pushed reading ether while the review runs. Okay, now we have to wait. Okay, it seems epic 4 is done as well. It's doing the review and simplifying. 4 agents are doing it. Reuse review, simplification review, efficiency, and altitude. Let's wait for this as well. So far it took about 5 hours. Okay, it's done after about 7 hours finally. And then it was asking a question about automate setup when I just ignored it. So let's go for the next epics. Again, define a new goal. Complete epics 5, 6. Let's just go to the code. 5, 6, 7, 8 before the first game. 6, 7, and 8. Let's check the repository we have. Oh, we have 4 pull requests, they are not merged yet. But why? So we have 4 PRs which are not merged yet. Merge them. Okay, we defined the goal and we have this message to merging the PRs. So I think in probably 7 hours again. Let's wait. You can see it's still running. Now it's working on episode 8, task number 2. It's more than 7 hours. And just this task is 2 hours. But the entire goal is more than 7 hours so far. Let's just check what do we have here. We can see the app here now. That's the same as the design. This one is working as well. I don't know what is this exactly. In the settings, yep, all good. Oh, we have our languages as well. This is a right to left, which is good, and this is a left to right, which is perfect. This one still remains. I think it's working on these sections. Alright, this is good so far. It's perfect. Let's wait. "10 hours. Oh, the prison was 7 hours, right? I just don't remember that exactly. But yeah, 10 hours and 30 minutes. And next one is Epic 9, means our game, our main game, right? Let's just check the app so far. What do we have? Well, it's in this page. Okay, this is the main. It's German. Let's just make it English. Colorblind. I don't know if this works. No. Anyway, about this game. What is this things? Licenses. What is this? All of licenses here. I don't know. We will talk about it later. So this is daily mix. We have this, play, get ready. It's beautiful. Nothing here because we didn't implement the game yet. That's beautiful. It's exactly the same as the design we had. It's beautiful. Let's just check. Merge. PR1 merged are still open because there. All 8 PRs are merged into main. Okay. There was simplifying. Code review, simplify. Comparing against the screenshots. Okay, that's good. Even it was comparing with the screenshots for the right to left. I didn't know that we have right to left images. Let me just check the app. What is that? It's in screens, right to left. What is this screen? Oh. That's incredible. Oh, that's beautiful. That's good. Yeah, that's amazing. Let's just go back here. Even now we have some problems here. For example, this one is not correct. The game is correct, it seems, everything. Yeah, it's good. It's up. I love it. I mean, the design is beautiful. It's totally the same as the one that we made, the HTML one. It's good. It's so good. Oh, okay. So let's just go for the next epic, and the next epic is our game, the first game, right? This is the first game, second game, and the last one. This is about the accessibility, queue, and release. Before this one, we need to do some changes for sure. Anyway, let's just go for the next games, number 9 and number 10. It's incredible so far. I love it. The design is beautiful. Everything is great. Thank you so much. Now let's go for the next epic, which is our first game, I think. Let's just check our repository as well. Refresh the page. Yep, all are merged. Let's go back. Our first page. The pipeline is failed. CI. We need to tell the Claude Code, hey, what's going on with this one? And yeah, let's go back. That's beautiful. We have everything is here. Okay, so let's just go back to terminal. And yes, inan is Stroop Rush. It's reading the file. Just check the epic file to see what it's about 1,300 lines. I just want to see, is there something like algorithm and those things there? Anyway, it doesn't matter. We will see if the game is correct or not when it's done. Probably it takes 1 hour, 2 hours. I don't know. I really have no idea. But we will see each other in 2 hours. For sure. In the video it will be 1 minute, but anyway. The Epic 9, task number 3. You had task number 0, 1, 2, and now it's busy with number 3. Let's just check the app. Do we have something here yet? No, still nothing here. Still nothing here. So let's just wait. Okay, it's waiting here after almost 2 hours. 6 tasks are done. 0 to 5. Mm. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 still remain. So want me to keep going through to the end of Epic 9? Yes, keep going. If you don't want to see these types of questions, you can define a goal. Complete Epic 9. And you never see these types of questions. Hey, I did this so far. Do you want me to continue or not? You know, you don't see these types of questions when you have goal. Now let's wait. I think we have to wait 2 hours more. Okay, it's about 3 hours. And the first game is done. Let's just check it. It's like this, classic. We have stop, go back here, go back here. Okay, so it's like this. Click on this one. So this is the game. This is too big, you know. Anyway. It says tap the color, not the word. Okay. So chill, classic. Let's just go for classic. Click on play. 3, 2, 1, and go. So let's just go for it to see if it works. Wrong. But that's good. 96% accuracy, average reaction 1 second, 1.1, and final score is this one. That's good. New personal best. This is good. I think this one is. We have this daily mix. What is this daily mix here? Did I speak this one? So we have daily mix here, and then if we go to the game, we have the daily mix again. Let's just see if it's correct or not. We have in home, I can see the daily mix. And when I go into one of the app, we already have one app. When I go to the app page, I can see the daily mix again. Do we need the button there inside the game itself, or what? And something else. Let's just say this one is too big, isn't? This is too big, right? And I'm inside the game page, and this guide here that says click on colors, not words, isn't too big. What do you think? Let's just go for this one. Play. 3, 2, 1. Man. Ah, accuracy 100%. That's amazing. And average reaction is less than a second. This time was much better. So it's good, but still I don't understand what is. If since for this one we had more colors, not only 4. And let's just go for chill. Just test this one as well. What is this one about? What was this one about? I really couldn't see the difference between them. Maybe this one was much, I don't know. And this one doesn't work really, you know, this colorblind friendly plate. Ah, now I get what is this. Just go back to the game. Look, it's about these patterns here, you know, you can see. It's about these patterns. But what is the difference? If it's off, still it's the same, it's just off. Yeah, it's totally the same. And even look, and there is an issue here even. Look at this. Here we have the border and this shadow here, but in the left side we don't have it. I'll just take a screenshot here again as well. Look at the buttons for the colors below. In the right side we have this border and the shadow, but in the left side we don't have that border and shadow. And this colorblind friendly palette, and in setting this colorblind friendly palette, it doesn't work. It doesn't matter if it's on or it's off. There is no change in the game. You can see this image, okay? So if it's on or if it's off, it's always the same. And this reduce motion, I don't know. I don't hear any sound, honestly. And about the sound, it's on or off. I don't hear any voices, nothing. And this one is just. And when I click on about MindForge, it's open a page that says licenses, and I can see many licenses there. It's nothing about the app, the game. And we have that bug as well. The language is good. The language is good, no problem with that. Let's just change the language to something. Go back to the game. Everything is correct. Yeah, everything's correct. That's good. Let's go back to English. Why this is like this bottom? Just taking a screenshot from this. And look at this yellow bottom, yellow color at the bottom of the page. It says the bottom overflowed by 14 pixel. Why is it like that? Still fixing. The colorblind palette does work. Does it really? Okay, it's just restarting the app. Oh, no, look, this is good now. This is good. Hero fixed. It seems the app is taking screenshots. Look, let me just open. Oh, it's gone. Anyway, yeah, it seems the app is taking screenshots. Let's just open this. Look, yeah. Claude Code is taking screenshots from the app and then comparing what, and then checking that if everything is correct or not. That's good. And it seems it works. This section is good now. I don't know what is the Claude Code working on it right now. Let's just go back here. Stop it. Why cannot stop it? Let's just do some wrong things. Yep, it's good. I assume it's just a test page here right now because nothing works at the moment. No timer, no score. Let's wait. Okay, it's done. It says the colorblind it works. Okay, about the sound it says there is no audio package, no assets, nothing, and it needs an epic, not a patch. And about the about section, right now it opens the license page and purpose. In episode 8 left a comment saying there is no about screen yet, so it's pointed at the platform's license list. So we need to create an about page there as well. So for now, let's just hide the sun toggle, and because we will build it later. And let's just add an about page as well. Yeah, hide the sun toggle for now. We will go to build it later, and just add a about page, about screen. Let's just test the entire app. And by the way, the app doesn't work anymore. I don't know, it's a test running or what. I cannot close it. I cannot go back to the previous pages. Nothing is possible there. Right, nothing possible. It's there. No, it's there. Let's just make it open, play. Now it's like this. Let's just go back. Turn this off. Go back here. I really don't understand what is the difference between color blind off and on. I really don't know what is the difference here. Look about the colorblind toggle. Still, I don't see a difference. I can make it on and off, okay? But when I go to the app, in the I can see the colors there. Still, there is no difference. I can see the colors and patterns there both. I don't know what this toggle do exactly. The app is healthy and responsive. Yeah, the app is there. Yeah, look, I just forgot to look at the screen now. It's smaller. I think this is much better compared to the previous one. You remember that was a huge card there. Wait, it's like this. Look at this, it says with the toggle on, the game renders pink and orange. Generated now the about screen and the settings changes. Still it's there. Let's wait for that. Okay, it seems it's done. sound hidden about a real screen. Colorblind, it works, and now it says so. Swaps red for pink and green for orange. The fill patterns are always on. Okay, let's just test it. We have this description now, that's good. Let's go for the about. We have the about page as well. That's good. So this is the game done. Let's just go for the next epic. Means the next game. Right? Let's just define a goal. Complete epic 10. Right, the next game. And probably we have to wait about 2 hours again, maybe more. Let's see if we change it to, for example, this one. Okay. Translation for this one works as well. For German, yeah, it works. That's good. So let's wait for finishing this epic as well. Then we go for the next epic, which is accessibility QA and release. Okay, the tasks here are good. Okay, this is good. So let's just wait for this one as well. Then we go for this one. Let's just check how many epics we have in this, how many tasks that we have here. Ten tasks. Okay. I just saw the Claude Code is running the app like this. It's working on task number 7. What is this here? Now we must have guides. Oh, I got it now. I got it. We just need to find the click on the numbers by order. That's good. Next, what is this? Find 1 to 25 fast. Okay. What is this? Chill. Go for it. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Good. Okay, we have a problem here. I think this is the remaining tasks. Let's just wait. Okay, the goal achieved. And once we have the game, let's just go for it. Let's just go for the first page. Now we have this one. Click on it. Chill Classic. Let's go for this one. We have daily mix again. Let's just say it, mention it. Do we have it here, right? Yeah, we have here. Now we have daily mix in home, and we have daily mix in the game page again. Let's just remove that one. Go here, play. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Still we have this one. Take a screenshot. After finishing the game, this is the page. Right, so we have a problem here. Why we should even now there is no back, but yeah, it's here. Let's just see if we have a problem here or not. Let's just click on this. I just want to make it fast. I mean, if I select the correct one, it will be faster. Yeah, this one works perfectly. And we need to have a back button. We have the home here, so no need for back. Let's wait for the blank results screen. Okay, it says all fixed. Let's just check it. Go back here. Go back. Why still we have this daily mix here? Let's just start with something. The smaller one. Maybe close it, open it again. But it seems you didn't launch it on the app, on the iOS simulator, because still it's the old one. Blank page, and the daily mix still is there. Here it says that daily mix is gone from game detail entirely now, and the blank results screen was a crash. you're right, I committed but never rebuilt, so let's just waiting for the rebuild. It's removed, it's installing. Okay, it's here. Now let's just wait for it. Probably it will be opened by self-automatic. Let's just open it by ourselves. Here, yeah, we don't have that daily mix anymore. Come here, play. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, we have it. That's good. That's good. Let's just check something here. What if I go for wrongs? Yeah, we have this animations as well. Let's just stop it. Go to setting. I remember in settings we have reduce motion. Let's just click on this one. Go back. Play game. Yeah. We don't have that motions anymore. So even that one is working. That's good. That's good. Okay, it's all works, it seems. Okay, it seems all works. Now let's just go for the final epic. I will just stop this running. Let me just stop it. I just press escape. But before this final epic, I don't know how much native speakers review on device based on real iPhone hardware. We don't have this one still, but that's good. Okay, so here, because it's going for the final step here, it seems. Sign off. Yeah, this is the final step. So before going for this one, we have the logo and icon, those things here as well. This one is going to create the logo as well for us. But before going for this one, we need to do something else. Build a require page. I don't know if it's let me just read the epic first. Let's just which tasks do we have here? Okay, it's not something. You know, there is something. We have the bundle ID for the app. Each mobile app must have a bundle ID. You saw it in our previous videos about the bundle ID. We were just following Claude Code for that bundle ID, default bundle ID that was Claude Code was creating for us. And then we were going to Applender website and we were creating the required page there, and then we had a URL and we were using that URL as the bundle ID. I was just thinking about that page, but let's just go for this one. Let's just finish this epic, then we go for that. At the end we just rename the bundle ID. But I just saw something here. It's about running on real iPhone. We skip this one. Okay, we don't want to launch it there. We skip this one. But skip that real iPhone hardware. Okay, skip that one. We don't want that. And just remember, after finishing this epic, we are going to change the bundle ID. We are going to rename the bundle ID. I just remember this. So let's go for the final epic 11. Let's just define the goal, because we don't want Claude Code to ask us, okay, the first task is done, may I go for the next task? Complete the final epic, but ignore the part about real iPhone hardware. Look. And now we have to wait about an hour. By the way, in the future, if you want to add more games, right now we have 2 games, right? In the future, if you want to have more games, we just need to ask Claude Code, hey Claude Code, create a new epic for new game. Yeah. We have to create the epics like this. And we need to mention this too. We have these 2 epics for all already or 2 games. Now based on those, we want to add new game and create a new PR, create a new epic file. Yeah. We create the epic file and then we say, okay, go for it. Now I can ask Claude Code add, I don't know, 5 more epic more games. Create the epic file for them. Now I can I can ask Claude Code for that, but let's just finish the app first. Then at the end, the repository is public. You can just download it for yourself. You can add the games there, or you can create the PR. I will add it there, and then you have it. I will update the app in App Store. Let's just wait for this. Okay, the last episode is complete. That's good. Here it says 30 minutes, but it took more, I'm pretty sure. Anyway, let's yeah, here, look, took about 1 hour and 30 minutes, and that was the goal. And this was the agent review. The agent review took about 30 minutes. So let's see what is the icon. Let me just close this. This is the icon of the game. I don't know if it's good or not. Let's just keep it like this. That's like, I don't like it. No, I don't like the icon. No, I don't like the icon. Let's just prepare something else. No. So for this, let's just check the GitHub repository. That's the Flutter skill. Is this all right? Refresh the page. And now we have 3 pull requests here, and all are failed. The pipeline for all of them are failed. CI. And we need to merge those 3 PRs that we have. And by the way, the CI for them are failed. You need to check them. Okay, let's just wait for it. Okay, the last episode is complete. That's good. Here it says 30 minutes, but it took more, I'm pretty sure. Anyway, let's yeah, here, look. Took about 1 hour and 30 minutes, and that was the goal. And this was the agent review. The agent review took about 30 minutes. So let's see what is the icon. Let me just close this. This is the icon of the game. I don't know if it's good or not. Let's just keep it like this. That's like, I don't like it. No, I don't like the icon. No, I don't like the icon. Let's just prepare something else. No. So for this, let's just check the GitHub repository. That's the Flutter skill. Is this one right? Refresh the page. And now we have 3 pull requests here, and all are failed. The pipeline for all of them are failed. CI. And we need to merge those 3 PRs that we have. And by the way, the CI for them are failed. You need to check them. Okay, let's just wait for it. It's still working on it. About 30 minutes. The repo already solved this. Let's just refresh the page. It's still there. Let's just wait for it. Okay, it's done. Let's just check it. Yeah, the PRs are merged. All. That's good. The logo, the icon. Yeah, this is the icon. That's good. Let's just keep this one. I like the icon. So this is the game. This was the last epic. Now all done. And what should we do now? Now we go for launching the app. The next step, sorry. Now the next step, build the required pages. For this one, you remember in our previous videos that we said that Apple Store and Google Play, both, they need a few links. One of them is the privacy policy link. You need to have your privacy policy about the app uploaded public somewhere. And you need the support page as well. Somewhere that people can send you messages of the app has this problem. I don't know, it's for supporting page. These two are totally required. You have to build those two pages. For example, for privacy policy, you can use GitHub for GitHub pages, make something public. For support page, you can use Google Forms, Microsoft Form, and those things. And even you need, it's optional, but you need a landing page as well. That's a landing page about your app. And if your account has, your app has some features for sign up, means you are saving the user's data, you must have an account deletion form as well. You need a link for this one as well. And if you add ads to your app, your games, for example, when you press on hint, we show an ad, a full screen ad, and then we show an full screen ads there. Okay, if you show ads in your app as well, you need another link for Google Play. You need another link as well. These are mandatory. You can use different tools for each one of these links that are mandatory, or you can use, as always, you can use this app Blender. Let me just, I'm logged in. Let's just open it in a new incognito. Or you can use this one. It has a very good privacy policy for support as well. You can, it has a ticket manager and many other features that you can have. This one is mandatory for Google, the one that I said. And it's for one app is free with all features. And if you have many apps, you can go for just the pro version, which you can handle many apps. I'm already in this one because I have maybe 20 apps so far. I mean, each 3 days, you can build an app like this one that we made. It's just took 2 days to building the game. So yeah, you can just use this one. And by the way, it has MCP. Let me just find the MCP. If you go to the blog, the first one is about the MCP. And just copy this one. Let's do it. Close. MCP add. Okay, it's there. Let me just resume. Okay, this session is about close to 1 million tokens. So let's just go for a resume from summary. It's a compact. Let's just wait for this one first. Then we go for the next. Let's just go back again. Look, I have all of my apps here. For example, this one. For each one, we get this link. We have this support ticket section. If you get a ticket, you will see it here. You can read it, you can reply it, and your users can reply as well. And you can have some blogs here. Let me just see for which one I have a blog. Yeah, for example, for this one, I have some blogs here. Look. You can have blogs here as well. The change log if you want. FAQs. Cookie policies, terms of use, privacy policy, landing page. Let's just go for another one. For example, this pantomime one. Let's just open it. Look, this is the landing page. We have support here. It's for the tickets. User can send you a ticket. These are some quick help. And this is FAQs. The privacy policy, terms of use, documentations, and even it has multi-language. Let's just open another one. This is really good. I really like it. This is another one. spectrum, even it has dark theme. Okay, let's just go for it will remain. Let's just wait for this one. It's asking about auto mode. Let's just have this one. Let's just, okay, it's done. Okay, it's done. So now let's go for MCP. We have this plan that is connected. It seems I added them for our other projects, so that's why it's connected here. But if not, you can see authentication here. Click on it, it will be open and you can authenticate. Now, let's just go for I have the app lender MCP. Now I want you to create the app there for me. And yeah, create all pages, like, I don't know, documentations, policy, privacy policy, terms of use, landing page itself, blogs, documentation, everything that you think it's necessary. Create everything there for me. So we don't need to go through this. Go to landing page, click on screenshots, for example, upload the screenshots by ourselves. I don't know, the hero section, add the details here by ourselves. We don't need our privacy. Go through all of this form here, handle everything, or terms of use, or adding FAQs by ourselves. We don't need that. This MCP for this app lender is a really good feature here, made everything easier for us, and it can handle everything for us. So it's creating the app. Let's wait for it. This is still busy. Six features. Let's just try to find it here, refresh the page. It's this one. Okay, it's done, it seems. You have all pages. This is the live link. Let's just click on it. Yep, this is the app. This is the main page. We have the screenshots here. Go back. We have the list of the features. The whole app. Like, this is so beautiful, this app lender. I love it. I'm using it always for everything. And you remember in our previous app we had a QR code here and the iOS link, but the app is not launched yet, so that's why we don't have it. We have the support section. Some quick helps here. QA here, FAQs. The form. For example, let's just test it. Test it. Example.com. This is a test. test description. Just send message. We get our ticket number anyway. Go to the privacy. We have the privacy section here. We have terms of use. We have some change logs here. We have documentations. So this is the app. We need this one, the landing page. We need the support page, and we need the privacy page. So let's go for the next step. What is the next step? Publish. For publishing the app, let's just open Apple Store Connect. Apple Store Connect. Let me just log in here. Okay, we are here. Now we need to create a new app. It's iOS. About the name, primary language, bundle ID is KU. This is the name of the app. The main language English. The bundle ID. We don't have the bundle ID here. Oh, I just remembered that. About the bundle ID, you remember that we postponed creating the bundle ID. We told Claude Code that we are going to change the bundle ID. For bundle ID, I'm always using this. The domain here. I will use this one as the bundle ID. So let's just go for it. And this is my bundle ID. Bundle ID is reversed. This will be my bundle ID, the domain but reverse. And then we need to create this. First, we need to change the bundle ID in the app. That's first. That's change the bundle ID in the app. That's first. And then we have to create the bundle ID here in App Store Connect. But we are not gonna create it by ourselves. If you want to create it, we have to go to certificate identifier profile, and here we create the bundle ID. But we are not going to do it by ourselves. We already defined in this video. I prepared it. I made it before. Let Claude Code publish your app to App Store. If you check this video, just 10 minutes, you can find how you can configure your system that Claude Code can publish the app and create the bundle ID for you. You need to define these keys as your environment variables inside your app store, inside your laptop. And then Claude Code can read them, can use them, and create the app using API in Apple Store for you. I already defined everything here. I already have everything here. So now, look, I have my keys. So now let's just ask Claude Code. And I already have my Apple Team ID and my Apple Store Connect key IDs as environment variable in my profile in laptop, my macOS. Create the bundle ID for me in App Store Connect as well, please. So let's just wait for this. Okay, it's done. Registered. We have this as well. go back here. We don't have it, but let's just refresh the app. New app. Name of the app. English, and now bundle ID, we have this here. About the SKU, you can just do the same. Here, full access, iOS, create. This one is already taken, okay? It's already been used. So let's just tell Claude Code. Push it and open a PR, for sure we need it. And about the App Store, this as a name is already taken. Give me another name. This is taken, so we just go for we add something there, you know. Just say, I don't know. We can add something here. Let's just I don't know what, but you can completely change the name here, the name of the app. Then you have to change the name of the app as well here in the app itself, in the icon. It's in the icon too, but we just add something here. We add another word towards there. Look, it's we have the PR now about those changes that we made so far, and then Claude Code is looking for a name for the app, but it says already exists this one, but we don't want that, right? Let me just copy this one. This brain training is good. Back here, make it like this, create. Okay, that's good. Okay, it's good. So let's just stop this. What was? The app was this one, right? MindForge. This is acceptable. So I just created the app with this name. So now we have this one, but look at all of these forms here. Just to know, the support URL is here. That's support URL, this one. We need to add it here. And the marketing URL is the landing page here, the home page here. We can add it here. And you have to do all of this for sure. We need to add screenshots here for iPhone and iPad, this promotional text, description, keywords, this data here. We need to add a build here, some note for reviewer. And then we have to go for a privacy. We need to click on save, but I just don't want to save it right now. Go to privacy, and here is the privacy URL. This privacy URL. The URLs that I mentioned that they are mandatory. But now we don't want to do it by ourselves. We have Claude Code that has access to App Store for us. So we ask Claude Code to do everything for us, to upload the screenshots, upload the build, to fill out all of those forms, and let's just ask Claude Code. Now you have access to App Store Connect, right? Add all details there, privacy policy, I don't know, the support URL, screenshots, descriptions, promotional text, everything add there. Let's just wait probably a few minutes. We go back here and we refresh the page and we will see that we have everything. So let's just wait for this. You can see it's creating things here. The age rating, category, version string and copyright. It's good, it's good. Just refresh the page to see what do we have so far. We have the promotional text. We have the descriptions, keywords, copyrights, version. It's good, it's good. This app review information still remain. For this one, we have to do it by ourselves because Claude Code doesn't have my phone and cannot save this even first name or last name without phone and email. So I'll do this by myself. It doesn't need a sign in. Still screenshots remain. Age rating accepted. Where's the age rating? Age rating is here, I think. That's not there. App accessibilities. Ratings and reviews. Privacy. Pricing and availability. We need this one as well. We need to ask Claude Code to do it. The pricing will be 0. App availability for all countries. We can do it by ourselves, and we can wait for Claude Code to do it by. Let me just do it by myself. Yeah, the price is 0. It's free. Just go. Keep it free. App availability all countries and regions. Confirm. Go back here. And what else? We don't have this one. We don't have subscription. And none of this. App accessibilities, there's nothing. The privacy policy is there, done. App review, nothing here. App information, we have app information as well. Puzzle, game, okay, this is good. Age rating is here. It's all good. View on App Store still is not there, but let's just keep this URL. Still is app not published yet. Let's just keep this URL and go to our go to the setting and the App Store URL. Let's just keep it there. When we add this, save, and if you refresh the page here, now you can see this one. The QR code and the App Store icon here now. We have the view the source as well, source of the game. It's taking the screenshot. Screenshot must be in this size, which needs iPhone 16 Pro Max. The app was running on iOS 14 before, but now it's this one. Look, it's taking the screenshot by itself, you can see. Claude Code is running the app in different pages and taking the screenshots. Look, that's good. Even taking screenshots from the right to left and Persian language as well. That's good. We need a screenshot for iPad too. It seems the screenshots are there. Now let's just refresh the page. Yeah, the screenshots are here as well. But we need the iPad too. Let's just copy this one. But we need the screenshots for iPad as well. It's asking a question. The app is universal, okay, which is the only reason Apple is asking for iPad shots. But nothing in the repo was designed for iPad. The design system is this one. Every reference screen is iPhone. Okay. And there is no adaptive layer to work in any Epic. So there are a few options here. We can ship iPhone only. Or the screenshots. Let me just check what are the screenshots. Do we have screenshots here somewhere? What are the screenshots for the app? Or upload or we can have another Epic for adaptive layout. Let's just go for iPhone only for now. Then then later we create another Epic and we add the iPad layout. Or maybe let's just go for this one. Let's just keep. Yeah, it's not that much good for iPad, but no problem. Let's just keep it for now. In the future, we will create another Epic for make it responsive, adaptive for iPad as well. But in future, not now. Let's see. Proceeding with the upload. Yeah, it's not that much bad, you know, on iPhone, on iPad. Yeah, it's not that much bad. For sure, it's not good. That's obvious, but still usable. We can play. Not good for sure. No problem. Let's just keep it like this. Future, we will go to change it. Seven screenshots, and now it's uploading. Let's go back here, refresh the page. They are here. That's good. This is good. No promotional. And about the app review information, we need a note for reviewer. Okay, that's done. It's okay. Just one thing about the reviewer. I need a description for reviewer. I need a note for reviewer. Maybe I can do something else. In about section, we can, that's not here. We can add the link of the GitHub repository as well, so people can see it. And maybe I will add the link of the YouTube too. App Store metadata 80% done. Blocked on contact phone. So only this section remain, which I will do it by myself. My name, my last name, my phone number, my email address, and a note for reviewer, which I will receive it now. You can see the notice here. Let me just open this one. Can I open it? Okay, this is the note for reviewer. Just copy, paste it here, and let me add my data here, and all this to now. Okay, it's done. Now just click on save, and done. That's it. That's everything about the app. Now just click on add for review. The build, I forgot the build. This one. This is great, everything is done, thank you. And I did the contact section by myself. Now just the build remain. We need to have a builder. Now it's asking question here. It seems it couldn't create the build because of some certifications missing. There are some options here: creating a new distribution certificates, export the existing identity from the Mac that has it, and archive from Xcode yourself, which means by me. We already have this, but we just need Claude Code to find it. Because we already made many applications, we did it so far. So let's just talk to Claude Code. But I had no problem before. I already uploaded many applications, and you did it by yourself in different projects. So try to find it. If you want to build a new one, build a new one, but we had before. And it says one thing to flag as well, the PR is still unmerged, the one that we changed the bundle ID. So let's just, we can go here, refresh the page, and we can merge it by ourselves, or we can ask Claude Code to merge it. Let's just merge it by ourselves. And now it's merged. And let's go back here. And the PR is merged now. Working. And about this certificate, it's there's no problem here, you know. There are 3 options and all works. So if it's your first time, again, no problem, it will create a new distribution certificate. Or it's you can extract it from Xcode. So there is no problem always. If you don't know what should to do, you can just ask Claude Code. What should I do? Okay, it's here. Certificates made, upload succeed. Waiting for Apple to process it. Let's come back here. Go back to our Apple Store. Refresh the page. The build is here now. Click on Add Build. Select it. Done. It's done. Now save. Add for review. Okay, we can see this error. Must provide information about the app's privacy practices in the app's privacy section. Let's just go here. You can send that to Claude Code, or you can just do it by yourself. Get a start. No, ORAP do not collect data. We do not collect data. Save, and done. That's all. Click on publish. Publish. Go back here. Add for review. Submit. And that's it. That's all. And now we have to wait probably 2 days to get the response from reviewer to see if ORAP is approved, or we have to do some changes. This was all. This was everything that you need to do to build an app. You saw all the steps, and I hope you can build your apps as well, fast and perfect. It took about 2 days for me to build this app. For sure, when I was building this app, I wasn't just waiting for this one. You saw in some goals took about 7 hours, 8 hours, right? And during those 7 hours, 8 hours, I was busy with the other things, with building the other apps, recording the other videos. You can do it yourself. You can build 3 apps together. And I hope you build your ones as well. See you in next episode. Oh, and like, comment, and subscribe. Please don't forget it. Have a nice day.